Hi from Special Ghost Person, and when you're doing ghost box sessions and you hear a big noise and crash, and like, what's that noise? And they answer you and tell you it's an entity, and the other guy says no, it's a ghost. So I decided to call back. I'm gonna let you listen to this. Is on my phone, by the way, because my batteries was going dead on everything. My recorder, my tablet. I mean, it seemed like I was just running out of stuff to record on. So I'm gonna let you listen to this. Listen, here's the entity. The ghost. So when they said it was a ghost, I thought I'll call back, and I said I called back. So thank you.